charge us for sure. The cost is the house. The landlord pays a lot. So you should know that.
The commissioner and on the high table, Chief Adeyemi from Agidingbi. I go with the government in this laudable program to sanitize Lagos. I am a retired diplomat and I've been to several cities of the world, including African cities. Whenever I come to Lagos, I see Lagos is the dirtiest capital I've seen in the world. Perhaps next to it when I was in service was Sierra Leone, Freetown, which is fashioned after Lagos. So yesterday I was traveling along Abeokuta Road, Atidio Road to Mushi. What I saw there was an high school in that area. I was in a Koboya school from 1950 to 54 there, and I knew what it was when I was there. Now the whole place is gone to in a mess. It's in total mess. Now I want to complain on behalf of my community, the community there. I'm chairman of one of the residents associations there. We have not seen any of these people in that area for October or November. Even till the time I left home this morning, we have not seen any of the operators in that area at all. And 2 days ago, I had a heart-rending bill of 6,000 naira for my house, which is very funny. How can I pay 6,000 in a house comprising only 2 flats? And I want to say that there are some houses where they cannot put refuse in some of these banks. For instance, I have a garden. If I put my garden, how do I dispose of the tree? Taking it out onto the street. And you say this thing should not be burnt. So what do we do? Do we pruning we do in our compounds into this just beside our fences, or what do we do? And will these people be ready to catch them away? And one of the residents came to me. He operates a small shop. He was given a bill for 1,500 naira, and he is appealing, like others have appealed, that we should look into this billing to see how it can be corrected. My own bill for 6,000 naira, I was thinking of phoning the commissioner himself, because there is a telephone for the commissioner and others there. How I could pay 6,000 naira a pensioner in a month? I have to pay electric bill, pay other bills, and how do I pay 6,000 naira in a month? For October, when the service was rendered, I was sent a bill for 6,000 naira. There are others from Nagidi, the community will speak on that. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, sir. Mr. Commissioner. Orúkọ mi ni Túnjí Owólabí, ọmọ Agídìgbì. Ní ẹni truck ládùúgbò wa fún October and November. Wọ́n dẹ̀ mú bill wa. For instance, in my own house, they brought bill of 2,500 per flat. Yes, I can show you. I will come to your office. It's not with me right now. So, no, I please to you, Kebawa, look into it. Because often we are up to 7th of December. We can settle bill. But like they settle bill, so just more render service. No service for October, November. So this is my complaint, Mr. Commissioner. Thank you.
Ẹjẹ́ bàbá ó sọ̀rọ̀ kí ìsànyẹ́ ẹ fún wọn ní kíní wọn náà ní kùn sí wọn. Ẹ wò bá ti jókòó.
Commissioner, grab attention. Grab attention. Now I have complaint. You have not seen that.
October. No, October.
Now in December. December. Number 2, where is the location where the bag should be kept, so that if you keep it around the as well, you can around the road. Give us location where this refuse bag should be kept. Then he sends the call. Yeah. Thank you. Sallu ala Karim. Adúpẹ́ ọlọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Orúkọ tèmi ni Alhaji Dáúdà. Bàbá ọjà. Òjòdó Dúpẹ́ market. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín kọmíṣánná wa àti ìjọba ìbílẹ̀ wa. Ọlọ́run
kí ó jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa kájọ sí àṣeyọrí. Inú wa dùn pé ẹ gbà wá láàyè láti pé ká wí gbólóhùn ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀gá wa kó má jẹ́ pé ẹ̀ka sọ̀rọ̀ kalẹ̀. Ọlọ́run ọba yóò gbọ́ ti yín náà. Ó dàbí ní alákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ mi ni pé nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe síwájú òun lè gbé sẹ́yìn. Ní ìwòye tèmi nítorí pé ìjọba ti kó wa sínú akóló tán ìyẹn nú àgò ńlẹ̀ wá kó gbogbo wa nú àgò tán lẹ́wọ́ ní ká tó wá sọ tẹnu wa. Ní ìtọ́ pé ìta àti fẹ́ sọ yìí ààyè ò ní gbà wá láti sọ wípé ń tẹ́ ẹ ṣe ò dáa ju wípé ká sọ wípé ó dáa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ẹgbẹ́ ọlọ́run tó dùn. Èmi ọ̀gbẹ́ ìbò púpọ̀ ni o. Ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹsẹ̀ lónìí ní tó jọ lójú tèmi nínú èrò tèmi ni. Gbà wá láàyè ká sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn tó ti kó sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú tí wọ́n sọ ẹ̀yìn náà sọ fún wa. Pé káyì láti máa wá dẹ́rù bà wá. Gbélé iṣẹ́ kankanlẹ̀ tí ó máa kó wa sí iná fáìnì kan tí ó pé àlágbára. Kẹ́ ẹ tó gbé tó kalẹ̀ ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ti sọ fún wa kó kálukú sọ èròǹgbà rẹ̀. Ẹ wá wò ó gbogbo ń tà ìfẹ́fẹ́ máa tún ṣe gbogbo ó ti jọ sọ. Ìyẹn àkọ́kọ́. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé ẹ ti sọ díẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀ nípa àwọn tó ń bani kólẹ̀ káàkiri. Ìbéèrè tèmi lórí ẹ̀ ni pé ètò lẹ́sẹ̀ fún àwọn cat pusher yìí nítorí pé àìríjẹ àìrímọ ló bá wọn débi pé àwọn fẹ́ kólẹ̀. Irú wa èmi gbàjọba nímọ̀ràn láti gbà wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́nà tó dáa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti wí. Nígbà náà ìlú ò ní máa dọ̀tí mọ́ torí pé aláìní ni wọ́n o. Ọlọ́run ọba yóò fi àánú mẹ̀kúnnù yóò fi sí yín lójú o. Ẹ sàmì kọmíṣánná. Bákan náà ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta òun náà ní pé nípa sísan owó tẹ́ ẹ gbé kalẹ̀ lórí ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan. Ṣé 150 àbí ìtọ́jẹ́ 50 naira ṣé náà ní ilé kọ̀ọ̀kan wà lọ sí báǹkì tí ètò ọkọ̀ 50 naira àbí 10 naira àbí 25 naira gbé lọ lóṣooṣù? Ètò yẹn lójú tèmi ó dàbí wípé ìnira ló jẹ́ fún wa láti pé a fẹ́ lọ san 50 naira sí báǹkì lóṣooṣù. Ẹ bá ní iye àárín yẹn wò. Ó yẹ ká ní àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ olóòótọ́ tí ò ní jẹ́ ìnira fún wa láti máa lọ sí irú láti sanwó owó báyìí nígbà tí gbogbo abájọgbà yìí pé a fẹ́ ṣe. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin òun náà ni wípé àwọn ọlọ́jà gbogbo àwọn ọlọ́jà pátá ńlá ní ètò gbálẹ̀-ngbàtà kó tó di ọjọ́ òní. Tẹ̀sí pè wá ní gbogbo ìgbà ntẹ fẹ́ kẹ tó gbé tó ká ìkalẹ̀ ó ní ìgbà tẹ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní sẹkítẹ́rìàtì ẹ̀yin ga fún ara yín látẹ̀lé sí àmàlù ẹ̀ wá tẹ̀sí ń pọ̀ ọlọ́run pẹ̀yìn náà lè. Kí ni ń jẹ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan wà yóò forí sápá? Ó yẹ ká wá nítorí àwọn aláṣọ funfun yìí àwọn ni wọléwọlé àbí tí Yorùbá ń pè wá. Àwọn lámà ní àti ń tún ìlú ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀. Ìlú náà sì ń tún ṣe títí dòní náà. Ìgbà tó kàn bẹ́ ńlẹ̀ àwọn ni wọ́n kó àwọn ni wọ́n wá tíjọba ò gbà kọ́bọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa ju ìrànlọ́wọ́ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n lónìí sì ó dàbí pé ìjọba yọwọ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́ pé àwọn ọ̀ràn ìlú àwọn ètò àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù àwọn olùgbé agbègbè lọ́wọ́ nípa ìmọ̀ fi ọlọ́pàá múni sí ntẹ̀gbé wáyé. A gbọ́dọ̀ jọ fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ni. Agbára àlú ọ̀ka ètò tí inú iṣẹ́ tíjọba gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe tèmi wò láyé ẹ̀kọ́ ìmọ́tótó tá a bá yọwọ́ dọ́ọ̀sẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ ìjọba dọ́kítọ̀ bá bá dé hospital nìsín ó kálukú ló máa ń tó ná. àwọn tó sì yẹ kí amójútó náà nìyí nílùú wọn fi lálàáfíà ọlọ́run fún yín ṣe. ètò yìí ó dàbí pé àwọn ọlọ́jà owó tí wọ́n gbé wá fún wa ó ti pọ̀ jù. a gbọ́dọ̀ jọ jókòó nítorí àrò tẹ́lẹ̀ àsìmọ̀ pé táàbà ní wọ́n ṣáà máa ń sọ wá pé káṣọ ẹ̀dùn ọkàn wa fún yín. tòun náà làwọn náà ṣe ń sọ yìí a gbọ́dọ̀ jọ jókòó. wọ́n á lè rí ṣe pẹ̀lú ṣọ́ọ̀bù tinú ọjà. mo sì fẹ́ fi dá lójú pé àwọn ọlọ́jà àwa kọ́ ni à ń dá ọ̀dọ̀ ti títì. ó di ijọ́ tí ìjọba tó bá kápá à ń ná ọjà lẹ́sẹ̀ títì kí dọ̀tí tó kú èlékò. àwọn kan wà tá à ń jí àánú ilé àtàtà à ń paramọ́ ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan ń kúrọ́sì wa lórí títì kiri àwọn gan ni wọ́n ń da ìdọ̀tí tẹ́ rò pé àwọn ọlọ́jà ní ń gà á. àwọn bàbá wa ní àjọ sẹ́sùn láti kólẹ̀ ni kọ́lọ́wọ́n ọba kójọ májà kádùúgbò wọn le ó sì ní iye tá à ń ná lórí ẹ̀ bá ní tún ṣe ọlọ́run ó fún yín ṣe. níparí
ọ̀rọ̀ mi.
kí ọlọ́run ọba tí ó gbé èkó kalẹ̀ kọ́lọ́wọ́n má jẹ́ kéko ọba jẹ́ àìrójú àìráyè má fi sọ̀rọ̀ wa. mo fẹ́ ká rántí owó etí àwọn bàbá wa kọ̀ǹplé àwọn náà sanwó nu lẹ́gẹ́ bí ìyálọ́jà tí wúkẹ́ tó dé a sì tún san lọ́jà. ẹ má jẹ́ kíkiní yìí kó ta wá lórí jù ó ti pọ̀ jù ó ti pọ̀ jù ó ti pọ̀ jù ó.
My name is Cardinal S. Isla John. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ìjọba wa, àwọn alága, àwọn òṣèlú wa gbogbo ìyálọ́jà àwọn àti gbogbo àwọn tí ó jókòó lónìí fún ìpàdé ọjọ́ òní. Irú ìpàdé báyìí pẹ̀lú ajé ọ̀pọ̀ ìkóṣojú ẹ̀mí wa. Mi ò ní ọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ sọ nítorí pé àwa gbà pé kíjọba tó ṣe nǹkan wọn ti pe àwọn ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n jọ wọ́n sì wọlé láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lóru láìsùn ṣùgbọ́n ibi tó bá kù sí mo rò pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tá a bá ṣe ìpàdé ìtàn wọ́n lè tún bá wa dúró ṣùgbọ́n ó ṣe pàtàkì wípé irú àwọn PSP tí wọ́n fẹ́ máa kó ilẹ̀ yẹn kí wọ́n bá wa fún wọn ní ID card kó má bàa jẹ́ pé jàgùlà tàbí gbájú ẹ̀ ó máa wọlé wa wá a sì sọ pé òun fẹ́ kó dọ̀tí yóò bá máa kó ẹrù lọ. bákan náà àwọn àkókò wo ni wọ́n fẹ́ máa wá ṣiṣẹ́ yìí ojú ọ̀sán ni ìrọ̀lẹ́ ni tàbí alẹ́ ni tá a bá ti mọ àkókò tá a bá ti mọ̀ pé àsìkò tó yẹ kí wọ́n wá ó ti fail bí ẹnikẹ́ni bá wá yóò rò pé nílé kan lè gbà wọ́n sílé mọ́. bákan náà ni nígbà tí wọ́n bá mú bíl wá ìjọ mélòó ni wọ́n máa fi sílẹ̀ fún wa kó tó di wípé àwa san owó yìí. bákan náà ni àwọn bíl tí wọ́n bá mú wá fún wa tó bá jẹ́ kó bá ní complaint tó bá ti jẹ́ pé wọn ò tí rectify complaint wa báwo la ṣe fẹ́ sanwó nítorí ó ṣeé ṣe lóòótọ́ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ìjọba tí wọ́n ní kàn máa wá arrest ilé tí ò bá sanwó tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ arrest wa tó ti jẹ́ pé a sì rágùn lórí a certain amount or something like that how do we rectify it? Olúwa gbàdúrà wa ṣùgbọ́n fún gbogbo àwọn landlord tí a wá Olúwa ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ìjọba Èkó ó dàbí ẹni wípé àwọn nìkan ní èdè so federal government ò fẹ́ láti ran ìjọba Èkó lọ́wọ́ òun ló fi dàbí ẹni pé gbogbo àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí ó fi dàbí ẹni pé fẹ́ jẹ́ ìṣòro tùbọ̀ Ọlọ́run àjẹkóró wà lọ́rùn á sì rẹ gbogbo wa lọ́rùn Jésù ní ara.
Please, my name is Mrs. Kennedy Kogi. I'm a resident of Elizabeth Headquarters. In our area, there's a market, Idogba market, or I don't know how they call it. The place was so messed up, and now we don't know actually when they are bringing their dirty something inside. But if you come to the environment, you can see it's a dirty place. And so I noticed now, or to my knowledge, we've not seen all these operator what are they called? This is PSP operators in our area. And there's a letter written to the local government of the government right now. And I've been talking about the resident association meetings there, about how this is happening in our environment. Now, as that now, we don't know who and who is handling the environment. That the PSC that belongs to our own area there. How do we know these people? And most we have an association there. We always have a meeting at the end of every month. We want, because I'm representing my own association there, we want these people, the PSP officials or what and so forth, please come over to our area. We have many estates there. We have about 3 or 4 estates around that place. And as a president, we don't have anybody that is going to take our refuge. It's only the cat pushers that we are using in the environment. So that's what we want.
Àwọn ìbéèrè yẹn pọ̀ díẹ̀, and I will try to answer them. Okera and Ojodu, somebody asked a question, and he said they brought a bill to him. The operator did not work in October, and he came only in November, and he doesn't have a notice as to when they will be coming again. Well, I think I answered the question earlier. I said if you have a question or if you have a problem with the bill they serve you, there's a section in your bill where you can lodge your complaint and forward it. If you know you have not been served for October, note it down there. I've only been served for November. How do you expect me to pay for October? This is a new complaint. Let us know, because we started in October and we know that not many areas, there are some areas that were left out in October. We know. So when you write and you let us know, fill that form and send it back to us. We will adjust accordingly. As to when they will be coming, we have informed the operators. We told them, please send ambulances to the street. Distribute ambulances to each. In some areas they've done it. Maybe the operators here did not do his own work. That is the point. Because in some areas, they already know when they will be coming. In some streets, it's twice a week. In some areas, it's 3 times a week. And it's either Tuesday, Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday. They already know, because the person, if you go to Amu Odofin, they know. The operator there distributed ambulances. He went from house to house before he started and gave them the ambulances and told them when you'll be coming to a particular street. The same thing is happening in Ikoyi. They were given the ambulance. The operator, but we have already noted what you said. We are going to call the operator and we are going to mandate him to start telling every resident when he'll be coming to pick their refuse. Tariff for 400 naira per flat. Let me educate you a bit on the process of the billing. The bill is normally done per house. The bill is done per house. You receive only one bill in a particular house. If it is 1,000 naira, it means that, and there are 4 flats, it means that each flat in that house will contribute 250 naira each to make 1,000 naira. We don't distribute bill per flat, and we don't distribute bill per room. It is a bill for a house. If there are 20 rooms in a house, it means 50 naira times 20. That's what it means. And that is 1,000 naira. It means that house will pay 1,000 naira. That means that each room will contribute 50 naira and then hand it over to their caretaker or landlord to go and pay in the bank. That's the way it works. Don't distribute bill. So if you receive a bill of 2,000 naira, it doesn't mean it's for a flat. And landlord should not assume that it's meant for him. So it's meant for all the occupants in that house. That is the way it works. The collection bags, the quality. Well, in the past, we used to distribute these bags free of charge. But what did our market leaders, what did they do with it? They started packing gari, elubo, everything inside it. If the government chooses to give the nylon bag free of charge, some people will still use it to pack garri. They will not use it for what it's meant for. And that's why we have said they sell these bags across all over the place. People can buy it and use it to bag your refuse. It pays for you to bag your refuse. You know why? Because if you are not at home and the person who is coming to pick your refuse, you will find your refuse intact. But when you just leave an open refuse, what do you find? The chicken will come, and the wind will blow it away, or when it rains. Huh? Okay. When it rains, and when it rains, it's washed away, and then nobody is helped by that, and that is why it pays to bag your refuse. Please, you can buy the bags across. We will try and inform the manufacturer to increase the quality, because we don't want it to be too expensive. Because if it's too expensive, people will not buy. The production cost of a bag is about it's about 7 to 8 naira now. And we are only appealing to the manufacturers. We have engaged them so that to bring the cost as low as possible. So that is why we don't want to get involved in it. Yes, somebody also said that they gave you a bill, but the person came only twice in November. We are giving you a telephone number. Please phone us. Let us know if somebody has not been to your area. If he has only been there about twice in November, let us know. We will call the operator. We can change them. We can appoint more operators. It doesn't mean that this operator that is working today is going to be permanent. If it's not working well, let us know. And if you find out that it's not working well, we'll change him. Or we appoint more operators. We divide this area. That means I cannot cope. And that is why you have a feedback mechanism put in place for you. So you can always call us at any time. The narrow street. We have discussed about narrow streets. That those streets that the trucks cannot enter. Well, some operators also engage car pushers. When they engage the car pushers, they can go to the street and bring the refuse to them where they park their trucks. So those who have engaged the car pushers, what they do is that the car pushers will go into the inner street and park the refuse and bring it to where they have, they park their trucks, and then they can offload it. And that is the arrangement that is put in place. And also communal depot. The communal depot, when we build communal depot, you have a place, because we have identified some areas where we feel that it is not going to be easy for them or for trucks to operate. We will build a communal depot for them. And you can also make a request. If you feel that your area is too narrow for a truck to service, and you feel that a communal depot will better serve you, you can as well write to us that perhaps the communal depot will be better for you, so that we can better service you. Somebody said, why build a shop with the house? Well, the shop, you collect rent on the shop, isn't it? And if you collect rent on the shop, even in the shops, they generate more refuse than the person living in the room. Because they sell pure water, they sell gala, and then they dump all the pure water sachets on the road for us. And you know these things are not degradable. They don't perish. In fact, they even block the drains. They are more dangerous for our environment. So the shops have to pay. It is normal, you have to pay, because you are making rent. It's a commercial outfit, and you must take away the garden waste. The highest rate is about 5,000, and it's in Ikoyi and BI. So there is no way that you can bill 6,000 naira. If you are billed 6,000 naira, let me see. What is is it a whole house? It's not a flat. Well, we'll look at it. Huh? Is it standard flat? Is there you have 3 flats there. 3 flats here. Another flat. They said you have 3 flats. That's how they bill you. And that's what they do. Let us. Please forward your complaints. Because they wrote 3 flats. They bill you on the basis of 3 flats there. When you over see the bring Jakumolo. Like I said, the bill is per house. It's not per room or per flat. What they have done in that bill is to build a whole house. They assume that you have 3 flats in that house. It depends on the nature of the flat. A flat, it should not be, if it's a flat, it shouldn't be more than 300 naira or 400 naira. So let me forward this complaint and then they'll go and do an inspection. No problem. Because it's only a house. And most of the houses that that normally charge 2,000 naira. They are either in Ikoyi, BI side or so it's not up to that really. So we'll look into that. Somebody asked, where should the refuse bag be kept? We said, if you bag your refuse, if you are not going to be at home, don't put it in front of your house. Put it in front of your house. If you know they are coming on Tuesday or Thursday, just put it in front of your house and it will be carted away. Well, àwọn àfáà gan sọ́rí ìwà rán. Ẹ̀kúra, wọ́n mọ̀ yí gan. Ẹ̀yin bàbá ọlọ́jà, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń jẹ́ lẹ́sìn refuse ju. Ẹ̀yin ni o, tẹ́ bá lọ sí àwọn ọjà míì nísìnyí wọ́n san ìmí ìbomi wọ́n san 30,000. Ìbomi wọ́n san 100,000. Àwọn ọjà tó san 100,000 lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fún àwọn tó ń bá wọn kólẹ̀. Because àwọn ọjà tó lábàwọn òfin ìjà ìbáwọn yóò rajà wọ́n máa rajà lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n máa wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀pù yín wọ́n á rajà tó bá yín rajà ẹ bá yín lọ wọ́n ti ń dànù ẹ lọ ní títì ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì àti títì ẹ̀ ń dà yín dàrẹ́ lè ẹ̀ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ ń dà yín dàrẹ́ lè wọ́n yín rajà ẹ lọ́wọ́ yín àwọn tó rẹ ewédú tó rẹ èlùbọ́ tó ra gàrí tó ra pure water wọ́n máa múnú ẹ̀ wájú sí títì fún wa àwọn ará máa kó tó bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé wọ́n ní àkọsọ́ọ̀tì àwọn kan tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ tòun. Ṣé rí tí ìjọba fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan nígbà míì ó máa ń da kí ìjọba ṣe nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe. Bọ̀dọ̀ bá pé à ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjọba ìlànà fẹ́ fi kọ̀sọ́ọ̀tàn. Ọdún kan àbọ̀dún méjì máa lọ tán. Àìsí consultation ni. Àwọn ìjọba òtún nígbà náà ni. Kò sí ọ̀ṣẹ́ lè ṣe tó. Bàbá ní kò máa sọ 50 naira àwọn kan fojú wọn lórí ìpọ̀jù. Àwọn kan lórí 50 naira pọ̀jù kẹ́ wọ́n ní sọ fún wa 50 naira pọ̀jù. Kò sí bá ṣe lè agree ó dá kíjọba ti rò ó àwọn àlè ti rò ó dáadáa ó tó ọdún kan tá a fi ro kínní wọ́n lè lọ káàkiri wọ́n lọ wò ó bọ́yé ń ṣe tẹ́ bá wo àwọn diplomat wa tẹ́ bá bí àwọn diplomat wa bọ́yé ń ṣe nílùú òyìnbó nìyẹn ẹ wo Ghana ń bẹ̀ yẹn bọ́yé ń ṣe nìyẹn. lóò tábà rò kàn gbà míì ó da kí a tètè ro jinlẹ̀ ká tètè ṣe ìgbàlá bá máa ṣe. ọ pé àlọ káàkiri ọdún mẹ́rin àlọ wọ́n àtẹ̀tún ní àgbẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀ so ìtorí ẹ̀ la ṣe ní ẹ̀ka ṣe ìgbàlá ká wá gbé sílẹ̀ tàbá lè gbé sílẹ̀ bó bá ṣe ń lọ àmà fine-tune ẹ̀ lọ. àtúnṣe wà there is always a room for improvement. The government exists to serve you, not the other way round. And government must listen to the populace. All your complaints today, we will take it back. And that is why we are going round. If we feel that you are not satisfied with our services, we must look at it. And that is why the government exists. So, Lágbára Ọlọ́run, we are going to take your complaints back. We will look at it. But the issue of consultation, I don't think it's necessary. I think this is the right time to do it. We consulted you when we were setting up KAI. We can't be going around every time to say we want to consult them. Whether the government will be granted, nothing will be done. For the next 4 years, we are still there consulting. And then when they ask us, ilẹ̀kùn títì, consult lọ́wọ́ ni o. Ilẹ̀kùn òjò ti gbélé àwọn èèyàn lọ, consult lọ́wọ́ ni o. Ẹ̀yin náà lè máa bú wa. Ó dà ká ṣe náà, àwọn lè ṣe díẹ̀díẹ̀. Àmọ́ fine-tune rẹ̀. Pàtàkì wá síbi náà nìyẹn, a ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yín àtúgbé. Wọ́n ní báwo ló ṣe máa sanwó ní bank? How to pay in the bank? Well, if you live in a room, you have a landlord or caretaker. Contribute your money and give your money to the caretaker. And if you live in a flat, contribute your money, either pay to the caretaker or the landlord to go and pay the bank. Or somebody can volunteer to pay the money. So we are charging per house, we are not charging per flat. Although the bill is done by per flat. If you have 4 flats, you will bill as such. But there's only one bill that will come. That means you share it to 4. And give it to somebody to go and pay. Well, then lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tax tẹ bá wò dáadáa èèyàn mélòó ló sọ tax nílùú yìí àwọn ọkọ owó yìí pọ̀ jù. How many people actually pay tax? Only the workers. Mostly the workers, those who work in the ministries, those who work in companies. Most of our market women, most of our market men, they don't pay taxes. They don't pay the taxes. Yet, if you go to the most of them, you find some people, they've taken over our roads. They are selling bully, selling pure water. When they finish in the night, they don't pay them. They don't pay cover to government. And then they want the government to come and cut away the waste. And yet they don't want to pay. Ẹ ká gbé yẹ̀wò dáadáa náà. Nílò òyìnbó tá à ń lọ yẹn, tax ló ń gbé wọn náà. Ẹlòmíì sọ 40% of his income. Lórí tax, 40% of his income lọ sọ ní tax. Bọ̀ níbí yìí, ọwọ́ yìí kò sọ 900 naira, wọ́n ló pọ̀ jù. A lè fẹ́ ká tó ràn ṣe, ọ̀fẹ́ ká tún léèwé ṣe, ká tún hospital ṣe. Kò possible. Ẹ ká náà contribute wa. It's your civic duty. Tax ló ń pè lóyìnbó. Wàá wọ́n sọ tax ń bí afẹ́dẹ́kọ́ sanwó olè ẹjọ́ ẹ bá wa gbé yẹ̀wò. Ibi tó bá kù díẹ̀ káàtó àwa ṣe tiwa. Bọ̀ ẹ má rò pé owó pọ̀ jù. Ẹ tó ní kó sọ 50 naira, 50 naira ò pọ̀ jù. 100 naira ò pọ̀ jù, 200 naira ò pọ̀ jù, 300 naira ò pọ̀ jù. Àgùsá tún ṣe ń bẹ̀ yẹn o. Àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ 6,000 tó ń ṣe kí ní àwò fún ọ̀gbọ̀n tó bá sọ 400 naira, 300 naira per flat kò pọ̀ jù lóṣù. Tó bá dá fúkà fúṣà ní owó tó bá ẹlòmíì gba 50 naira tàbí gba 50 naira tó bá fi sọ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì lọ́sẹ̀ àbẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀ 150 naira nìyẹn wàá sọ. Wẹ́ tẹ bá wo àwọn trust of pay síbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ kí wọ́n ti pay tiwọn àdìpọ̀ pay tiwọn ID card wọn nìyẹn ID card wọn nìyẹn ṣe é bọ́ yẹ pay tẹ̀ ID card wọn nìyẹn kò sí ẹlòmíì tó lè wà kó lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ yẹn tí ò bá ní ṣe kọ́lọ̀ mọ́tò yìí tó wá kẹ́ MB òní ẹ ti mọ kọ́lọ̀ wọn tó wá gbé àwọn ọlọ́fún lórí àyẹn tẹ bá ti rí ẹlòmíì yẹn mọ̀ pé ìpòsọ̀ lélẹ̀ torí àṣẹ ní kí everybody kó pay tiwọn wọn lẹ̀ ní kọ́lọ̀ kan náà kọ́lọ̀ tó ń lò ní Lagos Island ló yàtọ̀ sí ìtọ́ ń lò ní Kòsọ̀fẹ́ ìtọ́jà ní lójúdú ó yàtọ̀ sí ìtọ́ ń lò ní Mushin yẹn la ṣe lọ pé kí wọ́n pèntì kọ́lọ̀ wọn kọ́ lè jẹ́ kọ́ mọ́jọ́ tó máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ pé kọ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ́jọ́ tó ń bọ̀ bóyá ẹjọ́ méjì ni o bóyá ẹjọ́ mẹ́ta lọ́sẹ̀ ni o bóyá mẹ́rin ni o kọ́ jẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ kọ́ lè jẹ́ ọkọ̀ mọ́ àwọn àdúgbò tó máa lọ yẹn. wọ́n ní somebody asked the question, he said the bill, how long can he hold the payments? Well, like NEPA bill, it's only 1 month. If you have given a bill of October, well, you have till the end of November before you have another bill to pay it. That means you have a whole month to pay the bill until you get the next one. By the time you get the next bill, it will be reflected. You are supposed to pay 200 naira. By the time you get November bill, it will be 400 naira. That means you are already owing 1 month. And then they will come and serve you a notice. Go and pay up within 7 days. After that, Ọlọ́run ló jẹ́ àárẹ̀ o. So please, when you receive your bill, pay promptly. At least you have till the end before the next bill to pay your bill. Nobody will come after you until the next bill. But after the next bill must have been served, you must pay your bill. Then lastly, LSDPC at Ogba. Yes, please write a letter to the Commissioner for Environment over the NSDPC matter. we will take action on it. We have taken action on several communities that are very dirty like that. We can only send our team to come in and either remove the illegal structures and ask people to clean up. We can even close down houses. Please let us know. We will come, write us formally to complain. And that is why we are there. That's why you have the Ministry of Environment. It's not just on refuse alone that you should complain. If you feel that somebody is causing problems in your area, either through noise pollution or disturbing the neighborhood, write to the ministry, write to the commissioner. I assure you we will take action. Please. So, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan, ẹ ṣé gan, Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú yín o.
Giving us all this, accord us the necessary cooperation for making today's occasion a reality. The market women, the transporters, and all other political leaders here present. Same thing goes to the civil servants. The cooperation that we are having to make this operation keep Lagos State clean a reality. I want to thank everybody for coming. Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Ọba tó ní ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ bí a ṣe fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ìparí ẹ̀ náà ni à ń lọ yìí, ọlọ́mọṣà jẹ́ ó dáa. Gbogbo tí wọ́n bá wa sọ ní bíbá ilé ni ọlọ́run jẹ́ ó gba ṣíṣe. Gbogbo bí a ti fẹ́ kí ìlú Èkó rí ọlọ́mọṣà jẹ́ ó rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Látòrí ẹni tí ọlọ́run kò rí lọ àná ni Alhaji Ahmed Bọ́lá Tinubu ọlọ́mọṣà ràn wọ́n ṣe. Gbogbo ẹni tẹ́ ẹjọ́ ṣiṣẹ́ wọn náà ọlọ́mọṣà ràn yín náà ṣe. Ìlú Èkó ọlọ́run níjọ́ bàjẹ́.
Gbogbo ẹ̀.